are some danger signs as you're looking at different DOE trainings? What I found over my years of experience of personally looking for trainers early in my career, and then default becoming a trainer, and then looking at the competition and seeing what's out there. Here's where I see trainings that really fail to deliver. It may be fun in class. It may be an enjoyable instructor. The evals may be good, but then it breaks down because it doesn't translate to the real work environment. So what are those things? Here's the things that I've seen. They're fear, danger signals, red flags. The first key word is I call elegance of the mathematics. If you hear that phrase out of an instructor, they're clearly too concerned about the theory and the philosophy behind how the tools work, and really certainly not looking at solving your business problems and helping you do the same. They probably don't have experience doing that if that's their focus is on that first one, the elegance of the mathematics. A second one that I found personally is a exercise that they use to play with the tools to work through the calculations in class. It's a catapult tool. And with that tool, basically it's a little catapult arm with a rubber band. It throws things, and how do you measure whatever happens with it. There's some specific things without getting into it in this video, but there's some things I think that are fundamental, steer people wrong. I've seen people who have been trained with the catapult, and when they try and apply DOE in the real world, they have struggles with it. And I see the fault in that catapult exercise is one that is causing the problems that they end up having. I've used that catapult example in other trainings when I've been a participant, and I frankly have never liked it, and there's countless reasons behind it. The third thing is if the people instructing your DOE training are tools only. If they're not talking about the process of implementing the tools. I personally have a 9-step DOE process, and I think only 2 of the steps really involve the tools and the analysis. The other 7 steps are the practical steps, not the elegance of mathematics, not things that the catapult makes you ignore and not have to think about, but the practical way to implement it and get a return on the investment of your training before I'm done with the class. I personally use that, my process, to go beyond just the tools. We use a work-related project on a bad vehicle teaching tool. In the elegance of the mathematics, I found less than 1 in 10 really care about it. If you do, I can explain it to you. I can help you understand the principles behind it. But if that's all that you're getting from it is that elegance of the mathematics, it's not going to help you in your work in solving problems that you're already short of time to resolve. If you like the approach that you kind of heard from what I described here, these dangerous, these red flags, or if you're looking at someone that experiences those red flags, give us a call. We'll talk about our training option to show how what we do that benefits the organization. Give us a call. Just drop us an email here at Perry Solutions. We'll make things happen for you.